Today we're going to make Sambal Masak Terung, a Malaysian dish with fried eggplants in a spicy sauce. The star of the show is the humble eggplant, of course. Any type of eggplant will work here. I'm using this large and long variety. For this recipe, we're going to need 2 large eggplants or 500 grams. Just cut them into chunks, about 10 centimeters or 4 inches long. Then let's heat up a pot with some oil and we can shallow fry the eggplant. Alternatively, a faster way to do this would be to deep fry or bake them in the oven. Once they're all cooked, set them aside while we prepare the other ingredients. To make our paste, we need 25 grams of dried chilies. This is a very spicy dish. If you can't tolerate the heat, you can mix dried chilies with mild fresh chilies or just use all fresh chilies. Soak the dried chilies in hot water until they soften. Then we need fermented bean paste or taucu to give the sambal a deeper umami flavor. Let's use 1 tablespoon's worth of taucu. Feel free to omit the step if you're not a fan of the flavor. Now that the chilies are soft, add them all into a blender or spice grinder. Our next ingredients are 8 red onions, which we're going to peel and cut into quarters. Then into the blender they go along with 10 cloves of garlic. Blend everything on high until you get a smooth paste. Add a bit of water if necessary to help it blend easier. Then into the same pot we fried the eggplants in, heat a generous amount of oil. A high oil content is key in this recipe to thoroughly cook the chili paste through. Keeping the heat on medium, stir occasionally while frying the paste. The oil will begin to emulsify with the paste as it cooks. Then after about 10 minutes of frying, the oil will begin to separate again, which is something we actually want to happen. That process is called pecah minyak. Once that happens, we can cut 1 yellow onion into rings and add them into the sambal. Stir them in and we can season with some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning or vegetable stock, and 20 grams of gula melaka or palm sugar. Add half a cup of water and simmer gently. Then to add some sourness, we need 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. Adjust the seasonings to your liking. Once everything is well cooked, we add all the eggplants in and stir to combine. And once the eggplants are heated through, the dish is done. Serve immediately with some rice. If you love this recipe, I know you're going to love this one, so watch it next and I will see you over there. Thanks for watching.